Number 4. What is the meaning of ihsan? What is ihsan? Ihsan, worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone in a state that He sees you or He sees us subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inna Allah kana alaykum raqiba. Surely Allah is ever and all watcher over you subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us the definition of ihsan. أن تعبد الله كأنك تراه فإن لم تكن تراه فإنه يراك. Ihsan is that you worship Allah as though you were seeing Him, and while you don't see Him, yet truly He sees you. So this is the meaning of ihsan, or the definition of ihsan. And in the Arabic language, I mean the linguistic meaning of ihsan, it means perfection. To do the thing in a perfect way. And of course, if you worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching me, no doubt you will try your best to perfect your ibadah. You will perfect your ibadah.